Hi there, how's it going? I just wanted to make this quick video. We got some IRS deadlines coming up this Friday, so I wanted to send out a reminder for the S Corps, 2+ member LLCs, and partnerships. Your tax returns are due this Friday, March 16th, 2019. There is a $210 per month per partner penalty for not filing that return. Even if your business didn't have any activity or if you're reporting a loss, the IRS still requires you to file that tax return. So please get those filed by this Friday. The IRS also allows you to file an extension if you aren't ready to file that return, but the extension must be filed by the original due date, and the extension is just an extension to file the return. Your taxes are still due by the original due date. So please get those taken care of by this Friday. Also, individuals, single member LLCs that have not elected to be taxed as an S Corp, estates and trust taxes are due Monday, April 15th, 2019. So you guys got a little bit over a month left to get those taken care of. But if you haven't booked your appointment yet, feel free to give us a call and we will get you taken care of. All right, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So what do you need to know? What's the most important thing for you to know as a small business owner in regards to your business finances? So for me, as a business owner, and though my background is in accounting and finance, just speaking solely as a business owner, what's the most important thing for me is that my business make money. I'm in business to make money. And I'm assuming that's why you're in business as well, right? But how do you know your business is even making money? Like, how do you know your business is even profitable if you don't have the right accounting systems in place? So first, let's cover some housekeeping stuff. First things first, when you're starting a business, you should register your business. So there's several ways that you could do this, and depending on your business and what kind of services or products you plan to offer, you may want to consult with a tax or accounting professional to figure out what may be the best way to structure your business. But just for starters, assuming that it's just you, a lot of people mostly start off as sole proprietors, but essentially that means you are your business. There is no separate legal entity, and there are pros and cons to that. It's a lot easier to set up and start running shop, but you're also liable for any debts that your business may incur, and they could come after your personal assets if your business is ever to be sued for anything. You could also register your business as an LLC, a limited liability company, or LLP, a limited liability partnership, or a corporation. Registering your business as an LLC or corporation can get a little bit more complicated. There's a lot more paperwork and fees involved with starting up a business as such, but you also create that separate entity for your business. So if your business were to get sued for something, then you aren't personally liable in most cases for that. So, second housekeeping rule: open up a business bank account. And I can't stress this enough. I see a lot of people who commingle business and personal, and when it comes tax time, you're like struggling trying to figure out what's what, right? Do yourself the favor, save the stress, the time, and the money, and just open up a separate business bank account that you solely use just for your business income and your business expenses. And speaking of expenses, track them, track them, track them, track them. So I'm assuming you got it by now that you should be tracking your business expenses. If it's with Excel, I highly suggest getting on an accounting system like a QuickBooks, a Wave, a Xero, and automating it. It makes your life so much easier. But you should be tracking all your business expenses. So as a business owner, you probably don't really care to know everything there is to know in regards to accounting, finances, and taxes. But it is important as a business owner to at least have a general understanding of some basic financial terms in your business's accounting. So the first thing we're going to talk about is your income statement or profit or loss statement. It sounds exactly like what it is. It's essentially a financial statement that shows how much money your business had coming in, also referred to as income, and how much money your business had going out, also referred to as expenses. So your income minus your expenses gives you your net profit or loss. And essentially this is the amount that you pay taxes on. This is why it's so important to track your expenses, because a lot of times these are tax write-offs for your business. So I have a lot of people that come to me year end and they've got boxes or bags full of business receipts, and that works. If that's what works for you, then do it. I suggest getting on a system, right, to help make your life easier and your tax professional's life easier. There's apps like Hurdler, Everlance, Stride, or Shoebox that will help you put together a system for better tracking your receipts. So instead of having a box full of receipts, you can pull reports at any time during the year that can show you this is how much you spent on meals, this is how much you spent on travel, this is how much you spent on wages, so that you have visibility into your business. You take it from being just this box full of receipts to meaningful data. So when you talk about wanting to grow your business and go to the bank and get a loan, they're going to ask to see your financial statements. They're going to want to see accounting. They want to see records, that how much money you got going in, how much money you got going out. They want to know that if they give you this $50,000, you're going to be able to pay them back. And so that's why it's crucial to have these financial statements, to have the proper records and systems in place so that you can provide this information when you're ready to start growing your business to that 6, 7, 8-figure level. All right, so I'm pushing up against the 5-minute mark, and I wanted to keep this short and sweet, but I could talk about this stuff all day. So what I've done is I've compiled this into a short and sweet, easy to read and understand small business finance 101 guide, what you need to know as a business owner. If you're interested in getting a copy of our free guide, visit us online at www.flourishfinancials.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. So we'll send you weekly tips and tricks on how to improve your business's bottom line, how to understand your business's financials, how to maximize your tax deductions, and what expenses you could be claiming as a business. So again, that was www.flourishfinancials.com. And until next time, we'll catch you.